The owner of an exotic animal sanctuary accused of illegal breeding and housing of animals was back in court today.
The judge is determining if the effort to remove more than 40 wolf dogs from Howling Timbers can continue. 13 on your side, Lakeshore reporter John Mills has more on what could happen next week.
A trial could begin next week Monday, but the attorney for Howling Timbers is making a last-minute effort to get the case thrown out. Howling Timbers owner Brenda Pearson has 2 cases against her in Muskegon County Circuit Court. Both cases after the DNR received tips about people being injured at her facility, where more than 40 wolf dogs are housed.
A couple of complaints about some of the wolf dogs actually injuring individuals, including volunteers.
One injury involved a small child who lost a portion of an arm.
And it was appropriate for us to not only take criminal action, but also look at how this related to the forfeiture part of that particular statute.
Howling Timbers was searched in the summer of 2020. The DNR saying in October of last year, illegal breeding and housing of animals was occurring at Howling Timbers. Also claiming conservation officers removed 6 fox, 3 coyotes, 4 eastern box turtles, and 2 fawns from the facility because Pearson didn't have permits for those. Howling Timbers is represented by Celeste Dunn, who argued in court Monday the DNR doesn't have jurisdiction over Howling Timbers' wolf dogs. Therefore, the civil case to remove those animals should be thrown out.
And frankly, Your Honor, I don't even know why the DNR is in this case, because the Department of Agriculture oversees these facilities.
Right now, the animal forfeiture case is set for trial on October 18th. The criminal charges for Pearson for possessing a dangerous animal, causing serious injury, and possessing a wolf dog without a permit is not yet set for trial. Attorney Dunn and the prosecutor will learn Monday if the civil case can move forward and be heard by a jury before the criminal case can even start.
The concern of getting this right, I think, is of great importance.
We need to be able to have the court look at the evidence and match it with the law and make a decision on what happens to these animals.
And Pearson has previous DNR violations relating to wildlife rehabilitation records and not telling the DNR about a black bear that escaped from the facility for about a day. The judge's decision on this civil case is expected on Monday. In Muskegon County, John Mills, 13 on your side.